Welcome to the Auto King crown. Today, we're delving into the latest marvel from Ducati, the Desmosedici GP25. This machine is set to make waves in the 2025 MotoGP season, combining cutting-edge technology with Ducati's racing heritage. Performance and specifications. At the heart of the GP25 lies a liquid-cooled, 90° V4 engine, boasting over 250 horsepower. This powerhouse propels the bike to speeds exceeding 350 km per hour, 218 miles per hour. The engine's Desmosedici DOHC system, with 4 valves per cylinder, ensures optimal performance and efficiency. Complementing this is the Ducati seamless transmission, delivering seamless gear shifts for unparalleled acceleration. The exhaust system, crafted by Akrapovic, not only enhances performance but also produces a distinctive roar that resonates with racing enthusiasts. Chassis and ergonomics. The GP25's chassis is an aluminum alloy twin spar frame, providing a perfect balance between rigidity and lightweight agility. Suspension duties are handled by Öhlins components, an inverted front fork with carbon outer tubes and a rear shock absorber, both adjustable for preload and damping. This setup ensures precise handling and stability, even at blistering speeds. The bike rolls on 17-inch Marcassini-forged magnesium alloy wheels, shod with Michelin tires, offering exceptional grip and feedback. Braking is managed by Brembo, featuring dual carbon front discs with 4 piston calipers and a single stainless steel rear disc with a 2-piston caliper. The GP25's dry weight stands at a mere 157 kg, 346.1 pounds, contributing to its nimbleness on the track. Aerodynamic enhancements. Aerodynamics play a pivotal role in the GP25's design. The bike features a refined fairing with updated winglets, enhancing downforce and stability during high-speed maneuvers. These improvements not only boost straight-line speed but also aid in cornering precision, allowing riders to maintain optimal lines through turns. The Dream Team, Bagnaia and Marquez. Ducati's 2025 lineup is nothing short of stellar, featuring the dynamic duo of Francesco, Pecco, Bagnaia and Marc Marquez. Together, they bring a combined total of 11 world championships to the team. Bagnaia, returning to his favored number 63, is eager to build upon his previous successes. Marquez, donning the iconic 93, embarks on his debut season with Ducati, expressing enthusiasm and determination to clinch both the riders' and constructors' titles. Preseason testing insights. Preseason testing has provided valuable insights into the GP25's capabilities. Both Bagnaia and Marquez have praised the bike's stability in high-speed corners. However, they've noted areas for improvement, particularly in braking performance compared to its predecessor, the GP24. These observations are crucial as Ducati aims to fine-tune the GP25 ahead of the season opener. Looking ahead to the 2025 season. With the Desmosedici GP25, Ducati is poised to make a significant impact in the 2025 MotoGP season. The combination of advanced engineering, aerodynamic refinement, and a powerhouse rider lineup sets the stage for a thrilling championship pursuit. Fans worldwide eagerly anticipate the battles and triumphs that lie ahead as Ducati strives to reclaim supremacy on the global stage. Stay tuned to the Auto King crown for more updates and in-depth analyses on the latest in automotive excellence.